Hi, it's Dr. Bunny Vreeland. I'm a board-certified clinical hypnotherapist, and my first experience, I want to tell you about my first experience with hypnotherapy. I was 8 years old, and of course I don't remember much, but my father had surgery under hypnosis. What happened was the hypnotist went to the hospital with him and hypnotized him just before the surgery. It was hemorrhoid surgery, and it's one of the more painful surgeries. So my dad was kind of hesitant, a little scared, didn't want to experience the pain. So the hypnotist hypnotized my dad, and after the surgery was over, and by the way, there was no anesthesia, just the hypnosis, and after the surgery was over, my dad got off the table, walked out to his car, drove himself home, and he said he never had a drop of blood or a moment's pain. Now, I was 8 years old. I don't remember much of that. But afterwards, my mother had surgery under hypnosis. So I got a really early start with the experience of hypnosis and the reality of how well it works, how well our mind works, and how we can put ourselves into a state where we can actually be pain-free. My friend Seth-Deborah Roth is doing a pain management hypnosis seminar in Las Vegas coming up in a couple of weeks. I think it's on the 21st and 22nd of August. She is a specialist in pain management and medical hypnosis. So I'm signed up for that. And even though I've worked with lots of people who have had pain and are having surgery, I don't think you can take too many sessions. I just love going to anybody that's an expert to find out more about the wonderful things that hypnosis can do for you. I'm Dr. Bunny Vreeland.